the farm. It was a beautiful morning on the farm. The sun was rising like a big yellow ball, and the rooster was crowing, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" Barney jumped for joy, shouting,
"Boy, oh boy, another day of fun on the farm."
"I like to play on the farm," said Baby Bop. "But we have to work today, Sissy," reminded BJ.
"That's right,"
said Barney.
"Farmers start their day early because they always have lots of chores. Let's go to the barn where some of the animals live."
BJ fed fresh hay to Angus the horse. "Here's your breakfast," BJ said as Agnes happily nibbled away. Barney finished milking Bernice the cow, who mooed contently. "Whee!" shouted Baby Bop as she jumped up and down in the soft haystack. After feeding Agnes, BJ gathered eggs, which the chickens had laid. "Ay, ay, ay! Look at all these eggs!" said BJ. Baby Bop strutted like a chicken and cackled, "Cluck, cluck, cluck, cluck!" Barney got ready to drive the big tractor to the cornfield. "Vroom, vroom!" said Baby Bop. Barney and BJ picked corn in the afternoon sun. "Phew, it's hot," sighed BJ, wiping his brow. Nearby, Baby Bop popped her head out of the tall rows of cornstalks and giggled. "Peekaboo, Mr. Scarecrow!" Next, Barney and BJ herded the cows out to the pasture where they could eat a delicious lunch of green grass. Baby Bop marched ahead ringing a cowbell. "Look at me! I'm leading a cow parade!" she shouted happily. But the chores still weren't finished. Barney and BJ picked lots of vegetables from the garden. They filled their baskets with red tomatoes, yellow squash, orange carrots, green beans, and one of Barney's favorite vegetables, purple eggplant. Baby Bop watched from nearby. "This watermelon makes a good seat," she giggled. As the sun set like a big orange ball, Barney, Baby Bop, and BJ took turns carrying baskets of healthy vegetables back to the farmhouse. After a long day's work, all three friends were ready for dinner. "I'm really hungry," said BJ. "And we won't even have to go shopping," said Baby Bop.
"That's right," said Barney. "The foods people buy at the grocery store come from farms like this."
After dinner, Baby Bop fell fast asleep. "Ay, ay, ay, Barney, how can Sissy be so tired?" wondered BJ.
"She played as hard as we worked,"
said Barney with a chuckle. The end.